Again, everyone, it's Patrick from Victory Ford in Dyersville. Beautiful summer day, and we've got a new program we're just announcing today. $500 trade-in assistance cash. It's a Victory Ford exclusive. We need your trade. We're low on vehicles, and that goes on any 200 plus new Fords we have in stock. That's F-150s, Escape, Edges, Focus, you name it. And as you can see, we've got a great selection, over 200 new Fords on the lot. The only thing, you have to trade in your current vehicle and you have to finance through Victory Ford. So once again, $500. We need your trade. Also going on, we still have our push, pull, and drag sale. If you're a used car customer, bring in your tired old truck, car, whatever. It's worth $1,500 minimum trade-in on any used vehicle. Over $4,000. So once again, the great news though today, $500 additional trade-in assistance cash. Victory Ford exclusive. You can't get it any other place, and that's available through the end of the month. So give us a call, 563-875-2409, or stop out today and get your $500 trade-in assistance cash on a new Ford. See you soon. Bye.